Hello, folks. Good morning. As I discussed with you earlier, also, we are going to speak one topic. Means in a week, we are going to make two and three video, and accordingly, we will review our video. Maybe you can give me some feedback that hey, Pankaj, you are doing the mistake. These are the area on which you need to work. So today my topic is power of thinking. Means if a person is growing, if one person is not growing, then what is the difference between these two person? Only one, power of thinking. One person is using his thoughts. He is training his mind. He is changing his mind. He is making lot of positive energy behind his success. World is open for everyone. There is a lot of opportunity. What we need to do, we need to start thinking that what are the opportunity we have. We have to understand the requirement, and then we're gonna to move accordingly. We have to train our brain practically. Means whenever we are in school or college, we are doing a lot of things as a theoretical, but with mind also we need to think as a practical thinker. We have to do the validation before starting any kind of task, any opportunity we are going to get it. We need to start validating. Means before going to start, we need to think a lot whether I should start or not. Once you start any task, you should start taking a step. You should give 100% to finish that. Then accordingly your brain will be trained. Second thing, you have to understand the requirement of market. Suppose you are doing a business, even though you have to understand the requirement of market. If you are doing a job, even though you have to understand the requirement, means which skill is required, what skill I have, what I need to add more in my current skill. And there is a lot of opportunity will never stop. As much as globalization will happen, you will get more opportunity. Previously there was competition, right now there is competition, in future also there will be competition. So competition will be everywhere. You have to come up on that. Second thing, you have to take a step every day. Every day means every moment of your life you should be devote for your opportunity. If you are going to do something, you have to grow, you have to gain money. By the gaining money means you have to be surrounding positive attitude. If you will put yourself into negative activity, negative energy, then you are not going to grow as a long time grower. So what you need to think, you need to first go for positive energy. Focus on your skill, focus on new opportunity every day. Give your 100%. Growth is more important in life. Your social growth is also important, your economical growth is important. Both growth is very important. And whenever you start anything, you fail, you never worry about that. Whenever you fail, just learn from that mistake, that hey, what mistake I have done, why I fail. So you have to overcome on that. That is not a failure, that is a kind of learning for you. You learn something from your mistake, and then you need to add some value on that. Another thing, there's a lot of difference between well educated mind and well formed educated mind. So well educated minds means you have done lot of study. Form educated mind means you have done lot of practical things. You learn from other, you learn from yourself, so that is more important. So as you listen and give me the feedback that where I am doing mistake, where I need to focus, I need to speak fast or I need to speak slow, whatever is in your mind, just come with that. Maybe while I'm speaking, maybe my facial expression is not good, gesture, which we say gesture, if gesture is not good, then let me know that hey, when you are speaking you have not confidence, you are not smiling, because sometimes a little bit more focused, that's why I look like serious. So this thing I learned, whenever you start anything, learning is more important. Whenever you start anything, you should be serious on that, you should give your 100%. So thank you folks for watching this video, and the main agenda behind that, this time I want to make my communication more strong. That's why I thought that okay, let's have some video and share on social media, share with the friend. This is how I gonna to get the confidence, and I will get feedback from other persons. So I can join some institute also, but what I think, if I will join institute, then I will not grow as I want to grow. So I want to learn without spending a single money. Where whenever I have time, free time, that time I do these activities, and this is how I I learn. And learning is more important. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you, and I will come with some new ideas, some new videos. Maybe you can learn what I said, maybe you cannot, maybe you like, maybe not. Even though, thank you very much for your valuable time. Thank you.